adjacently located single screens in Hyderabad. That's Devi 70mm and Sudarshan 35mm. Both are around 1400 seater theaters each. That's decently big actually. Together they are around 2800 seaters adjacently located. Well, with no bias and with a rational thought process, I think from a cinegoer's point of view, the actual customer's point of view, I feel there is no difference between a single screen and a multiplex. Single screens in theaters in India will never die. Would be that there would be no difference between a single screen and a multiplex at all when considering the actual movie watching experience. They are the same, big wide screen, color video, 10,000 lumens of light, surround sound, digital audio, and 1,000 odd people watching a movie together. There's not much of a difference. Well, considering one point of view, yes, there is one difference. The difference is about more screens at the same place. Online ticketing of all theaters in any city will soon get into a customer's handheld device. Thousands of other things gonna happen on the mobile, right? The ticketing will also start happening on the mobile. That will simply wipe out the difference between a single screen and multiplex. Well, that's to say about the coexistence of these two formats. I do not know much about the 3D format yet. Now I'll tell you one problem as a single screen owner that I've been facing in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh was very well known for well-maintained theaters actually. I do my best to provide the best service to my cinegoer at my two cinema halls. Best sound, best light, decently acceptable ambience, because it's been coming since 4 decades actually. The ticket rates are controlled by the government of Andhra Pradesh here. We cannot sell at more than rupees 50 per ticket. Me and many others like me started downgrading our services. We converted our air-conditioned theaters, which ran for 2 decades, to air-cooled around 5 years ago. Hundreds of theaters closed down slowly. Andhra Pradesh had close to around 2,500 to 3,000 theaters at one point of time. Today there are around 1,700. I strongly feel the government should start disassociating itself with respect to the controlling of the ticket pricing. It simply need not control the ticket price anymore. Well, if at all the government perceives the cinema as being a medium to educate people of its country on different aspects of life, etc., which was probably a decade ago, then such cinema content today is being delivered on the TV and many other formats. Cinema is being offered to customers on more media than just the cinema hall. Today, unlike a decade ago, cinema and cinema theater are two different things. Very prominent multiplex, Prasad IMAX, was charging, probably four years ago, it was charging rupees 60, when the single screens were charging 50 or 35. The pricing was very close. The pricing was very close to each other. Then thousands and tens of thousands of people started flocking towards the Prasad IMAX and PVR, etc., actually forgetting the single screens. Now, over a period of time, the pricing at the multiplexes started increasing by its own virtue, and we started seeing, since around 2 years, our crowd is getting back to our single screens. Meaning, since around 2 years, we started seeing our crowd back, who probably cannot afford repeated visits to a costly environment or whatever. Of the total state's revenue of 3.5 lakh crore, entertainment tax accounts to 1,000 crore or less. That's 0.3%. Keeping that in mind, the government should probably give us more freedom. That's what I would say. Thank you very much.